Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Aino. Today we'll be doing something very super amazing. And what we'll be doing is we'll be installing Google Analytics on our web page. Even if it is a website, you have a landing page, anything, you want to install Google Analytics. And Google Analytics is very powerful. I've seen a lot of people running Facebook ad, running Google ad, running Instagram ad, running Yahoo ad. In fact, some are doing influencer marketing. They are getting a lot of traffic to their website, but they don't have Google Analytics installed on their website. If you are doing this, you should stop doing it because you are leaving a lot of money on the table. You don't actually know what is actually happening on your website. You don't know if your users are clicking on something, if they are visiting particular page, if they are scrolling, how many minutes are they using on your website. So you want to track all of these things. With Google Analytics, you will be able to do this without wasting any time and any money, and you'll be able to see real result, and you can use this information to make good decision. So now quickly let me show you, before we start installing, let me quickly show you. Now this is a website that I install Google Analytics on. That you can see right now, you can see this app, 8 users, new at 6, then average engagement is equal to 1 minute 16 seconds, which is great. Then in last minute I have one person, and the person is currently from Nigeria. So if I scroll down a little bit, then I can see more information about these guys. I can see more information. You can see this guy, you can see that I have a event count of 62, which is 3.19. You might not understand all this stuff, but later on you are going to understand this. Now, what is important that I want to show you here is I want to come to this report. If you tap on this report, then you are going to see very cool stuff, very cool stuff, very cool stuff. You are going to know where your traffic is actually coming from. Is the traffic coming from Instagram? Is it coming from Facebook? Is it coming from YouTube? Is it coming from Google? So this will be able to know. So now look at this, then let me scroll down. Look at this. This is direct. This is organic video. That means the traffic from this particular website is coming from YouTube. Now referrals, from other side, then organic search from uh, Google. And you can see the section direct is 42 seconds. You can see organic video is 11. Referral, we have 6. Organic search, we have 3. So these are information. You can see most of the people are coming from Nigeria. You can see Indonesia, Italy, you can see Sweden, you can see United States. So you can see the date that this user visited this website, and you can see the page they are currently visiting. Okay, now what we'll be doing today is we just want to show you how to install. Maybe in a subsequent video, I will show you exactly how to extract a lot of information from Google Analytics. So today is you're going to be installing it, then you'll be using it whenever you're running your advert. Make sure that you are checking Google Analytics to know what is going on. So now what you want to do, you want to go to analytics, analytics.google.com, analytics.google.com. Then you want to go there. Then if you don't have account, it asks you to register. You must have a Gmail account before you can register on Google Analytics. So just go to analytics.google.com. So that is the first thing you want to do. And after that, you are going to register. It's very simple. Just log on with your Gmail account and create your Analytics account. So the second thing is where you want to install this code, where you want to add this code. Now, irrespective of your website, if you have a landing page, if you have an e-commerce website, if you have your personal website, anyone. So now I'll be giving you an example right now. Look, I can decide that, okay, I want to install analytics on this page. This is my SEO course. Okay, if you've not gotten this course, you are missing a lot. So I can decide that, okay, I want to install analytics on this page. Or I can decide that, okay, this is another landing page. I want to install this analytics on this page. So know the page you want to install analytics on, or your website. So now I'm going to installing it on new website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this website called New Life. Then I want to log on to the back end of this website. So log on to your back end where you want to install it. This is WordPress, but if you're not using WordPress, I'll still show you how you can install it, how you can install. So I want to log on to this website. So now here, what I'll be doing is very simple. Okay, what I'll be doing is very simple. You will come to your page here. If you are using WordPress, you just come to your page, come to plugin, click on add new plugin. Then when you are here, you want to search for add new plugin. Then you want to search for, header and footer. Header and footer code. So you can select any one of these, header and footer. So you want to be selecting, you want to be pasting code that you'll be getting from Google Analytics, okay? So you can select this, you can select this particular one, then you can select this guy, okay? You can use this guy. So anyone you want to use, you just install it. Anyone that you can install code. So that is first thing you want to do. So I already have this one that I'll be installing, which is called HFCM. HFCM. So that is what I'll be using. That's what I'll be using here. HFCM here. That's what I'll be using. So I'll be adding code here. You can see I have this. This is HFCM. Okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll click on add new snippet. Then I'm going to come to here. Okay, snippet name. I want to give it name called Google Analytics. Then the type is HTML. Leave it the way it is. Site wide. So I want to install it on all my sites, all the sites. Okay. Now look, if you are into e-commerce or you have multiple pages on your website, you want to leave it at site wide. But if you just have just maybe like 3 pages of your funnel, still leave it at site wide. Site wide means it's going to be installed on every page. But if you want to target single page, all you have to do is select the specific page you want this to install on. Okay, just select the specific page. But in this case, I'll be using site-wide, so install on every page of this website. Then I want to, the location should be either, leave all this empty, the location should be either, then show on all devices, your mobile phone, your tablet, your computer. Make sure that this is working, then is active. Then now we are going to be getting our analytic code by going to Google Analytics here. Once you log in and sign on, we'll be seeing this. Yours will be empty. So what you want to do is look at this admin icon here. You want to hit on this admin icon. Please, very important you follow exactly what I'm doing here. Now when you hit on the admin icon, is going to load up. You can see create account, you can see create property. Okay, create account, create property. So now create account means I want to add new account. Now create property means I want to create new property under this name, this Emmanuel Ainon name, under this website. But in our case, we'll be creating new account. So I want to come here, create account. So now it's telling me that, okay, what is the account name? You can give this any name you want, okay? But in this case, I'm going to give you the name of the website, which I want to call it New Life Products. So this is the name, this account name can be any name, can be your name, can be anything. But I just love naming it the name of the domain of the website. So I have this. Once you have this installed, okay, make sure that you select this guy and everything. These three will be selected. Make sure you click on this, okay. Then you want to come to leave the rest the way it is. And note that you can have a 100 account, but currently I've used you have access to 75. I use 15, so that's why you have seen this. So that's the first step. So next thing you want to do is property name again. So again, I want to name it the same thing, New Life Products. Let me just call it website or something. Then look at this, very important. You have a United States, wherever you are watching this from, make sure you select your country, the country you want to, make sure you select your country, okay? So I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria. Then you can see automatically it changed to my time zone, Nigerian time. Now, if you're in Nigeria, always leave this the way it is, leave it the way it is, except you want to be tracking your sales, everything in Naira. That's where you want to change this to Naira. But okay, you can leave it in dollars, you can change it to Naira, anything you want to do. You can edit this later, you can see in admin section, okay? So let's change it to Naira. But I would advise you to just leave it. You can see NGN, this can be edited later. Then you want to click on leave this show advanced option, then you want to hit on next. Now you can select any of these. I always select small. Then I want to measure everything. Measure everything here. Select everything here. I don't really do app install anyway. You might leave that, but select everything. Okay, leave these others. Then you click on create. To use Google Analytics, you must first accept the terms of service agreement for your country, region, okay? From your country, region. So you want to hit on this guy, then where is your country region, which is Nigeria. So select, make sure you change it to Nigeria. Some people leave it the way it is, which is great. It doesn't mean anything, but the best practice is to leave it to Nigeria, change to Nigeria. They want to accept this guy here. This is one. Then you want to scroll down this guy, scroll it down, down. Scroll this guy down. Okay, nothing is showing here. They want to bring this guy down a little bit. They want it on this accept to. Then after that, you want to click on I accept. Now look at this. We can track a lot of stuff here: web, Android app, and iOS app. Okay, so if you have app, you can track this. But in our own case, we are tracking web. So we want to hit on web. Then now the name of your website. Then I want to go to the website I want to track, which is this. Now it's very important your website starts with HTTPS, okay? HTTPS. So this is the name of the website, newlifeproducts.com.ng. So this is the name of the website. So you want to copy this, copy your URL, come to analytics. You can see this is already selected for you. So there is no point you still adding it here, okay? All I have to do is remove this, and leave this the way it is, okay? Then the name of the website again, I want to give it that same name. So I want to leave this is a data stream, then leave other thing the way it is, okay? You can see this is what is measuring, page view, scroll, outbound link, you can actually do a lot of this, a lot on this later. So let's make it simple. So you want to hit on create stream. Now we have this, you can see this measurement ID, you can see stream ID, you can see the name, you can see the URL. So all you have to do here is, you want to come here, scroll down a little bit, Now, you can see this guy, global site tag, and you can see Google Tag Manager. I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tag Manager in later. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so right now. Click on the like button, comment if you have any issue, and I'm going to respond to it. So this is what he wants to target here. Global site tag. You want to hit on this arrow icon. Now, this is the guy here. This is what you want to do. And look at this instruction. Copy the global site tag into the head section of your HTML, or if you use a website builder such as GoDaddy, Shopify, other, tag your website using this instruction. But this is all you have to do. Click on this copy here, or you select everything and copy. So I always like to click on this so that nothing will be missing. So when I click on here, then I want to come here where we have our snippet code here, then you paste it here. Okay? You don't need to do anything, then you hit on save. It's as simple as that. It's active. Now, what if you are not using WordPress? You are not using a page builder. Maybe you are using core HTML, CSS. All you have to do is go to your code where you have your code. I'm just going to show you something very simple. Ignore all this. Let me quickly create something. Let me quickly do something here. I'm going to remove it anyway. Please ignore everything here. All you have to do is you have something like this. This HTML, you have something like this. If you are using HTML, all this hard-coded programming language, is either you send it to the developer or it's very simple to do. Now look at the head. This is head section here. Okay, this is head section. All you have to do is paste this before the close of this one. Before this close, okay? Before this close. So you paste it there. And that is all. That is all you have to do. Just copy, paste it there. So if the website you are working on, just make sure that you paste it in between before this second head here. Okay, so that is that I want to show you. Then after that, if you want to know that this thing is actually working, okay, let's now go to analytics. That's all. Let's go to the analytics, close this. Now this is the New Life product website. You can see. Then you want to come to home page here, and that is all. So when people now visit that website, you'll be seeing it here. You will know people that are coming to your website, where they are coming from. You'll be able to track everything from here. You'll be able to track everything from here. Currently, it's still showing 0 because we just created this guy. Just leave it for some times, then you're going to be seeing the data here. You're going to be seeing the data here. That is that. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit on the notification bell. If you have any question, please ask. Now we'll be using this to create Facebook ad and Google ad, and you see how to use this to track what is going on our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.